Paul Williams is with us tonight. He's a very talented young man. He's written songs like We've Only Just Begun, an old-fashioned love song. And he's a little strange at times, but very talented. And he will be guesting on the Midnight Special, which I guess follows our show tonight on NBC, does it not? So would you welcome, please, Paul Williams.
Maybe I should have saved those leftover dreams. Funny, but here's that rainy day. Here's that rainy day they told me about, and I laughed at the thought that it might turn out this way. Where is that worn-out wish that I threw aside after it brought my love so near? Ain't it funny how love becomes a cold, rainy day? Funny, that rainy day is here.